Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Silent. We are back with another market review. We're looking at the NASDAQ December contract of 2025. We're looking at the weekly chart. Again, we've seen a continued expansion on that weekly candle. Very nice to see. Strong so far this week. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow we'll be expecting a TGIF kind of idea to play out on this weekly candle. So if for some reason we stretch out a little bit further on the week before New York tomorrow, I'll be placing a fib on this range and expecting a 20 to 30% pullback on this weekly range. So I would like for it to close or pull back anywhere from down into this range around the 700s or so. On the daily chart, again, we were watching sensitivity at the high of that daily buy side imbalance there, and price creates a flat blunt ended open and delivers just strongly throughout the entire day, going into the New York session, and then we get a pullback. On the 4-hour chart, again, we want to see price deliver with strength through that wick. Price does just that and actually closes above our 4-hour sell side imbalance here. We get a gap through it, so this is a balanced price range because we have one single pass down in this candle and one single pass up in this candle. Price delivers high with some strength there. We get a pullback down into this wick, and the opening price here, price rallies back above, creates a new high, and then closes inside the range toward the end of the day there. On the hourly chart, just a closer look here. I would like for you to pay attention at how price creates a down close candle on the inside of that 4-hour SIBI as we are crossing through. So this is acting as our breakaway gap range, but we're putting a down close candle here so that there's no reason to come back after it rallies off. So this is our breakaway gap range. Price has a down close candle, order block right through our sell side imbalance, and has a lift off. Going into midnight, price dips lower into this imbalance price range here, rallies, and going into lunch we drop down, sweep that rejection block, and then close higher. We rally up to a new high of the day and then pull back. It was a very nice setup to see today. Very nice what we were expecting going into today play out and deliver strongly for us. It was very nice. On the 15-minute chart, we see price create that rally going into midnight. We drop down, price creates a down close candle on top of that balanced price range from the hourly. We rally up, spend some time in the pre-market. It has a drop there right into our level. This down close candle is that wick on the higher time frame chart. Strong reversal here and a rally. Consolidation going into the end of the day before a nice pullback. On the 5-minute chart, I want to bring your attention to a couple of levels in here. First off, we accumulate in the pre-market and have this set up here as a sell, taking out this high from 7 o'clock. Price trades down lower, takes out that low, and then as we open for 9:30, we're trading back into the sell side imbalance. Price drops down into our higher time frame level and does a reversal, trading right through that SIBI. So this range here we can project higher. We have one standard deviation above for a target. Price trades up through that buy side liquidity here leaves the imbalance, which we retraced to there just before 11, and then we put in one more high on the day and then trade softer. And a closer view on the 1 minute chart. I've added our first presentation fair value gap here. We see that nice Judas swing lower, a reversal created here, and price comes down to ping off of our first presented fair value gap, and it's off to the races going into the end of the AM session. Price creates a reversal above that buy side liquidity. We retrace lower into our 5 minute level and then rally up one more time for another run on liquidity there after retracing into this fair value gap. Alrighty, so that's going to be it for me today. Hopefully you learned something. If you found anything insightful, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow.